the infrastructure in one of Martin County's oldest neighborhoods is starting to fail.
Basically, it's reached the end of its life cycle. Materials only last so long, and for instance, metal pipe has a life cycle of 30 years, and the metal pipe in this neighborhood is well over 30 years old. You may see a patch here. And
George Zama, Martin County's capital projects manager for engineering, says that roads, drainage, and other infrastructure in the Golden Gate neighborhood south of Stuart needs upgrading.
Golden Gate requires a complete replacement of drainage infrastructure. There's a lot of metal pipe in Golden Gate that needs to be replaced.
Zama says over the last 5 years they have seen some pipe failures here, and there have been many fixes, but it's not enough. Engineers say that this road is a prime example of some of the problems here in Golden Gate. This road was in bad shape about 10 years ago, and they actually put a sealant over the top of it, but even that repair is starting to fail. Swales also need to be regraded and sidewalks need replacing. Martin County Utilities has also identified this neighborhood as high priority for septic to sewer conversion.
We don't want to disturb the neighborhood a few different times. We want to do it all at once and install sewer and replace the drainage in the neighborhood.
In some places the roads may look okay, but here for instance you can see a crater in the pavement. Zama says a pipe under the road is collapsing.
When you look at a road, it looks fine, it drives fine, but a lot of people don't see what's underneath it.
He says the question isn't if Golden Gate needs infrastructure replacement, it's when and how will it get paid for. On August 29th, Martin County voters will have a chance to decide on a 1% local sales surtax that will generate over $20 million a year for projects related to infrastructure, water quality, and public works.
The money will go to infrastructure replacement. It's as simple as that. Water quality improvements, which includes septic to sewer, just like what we plan on doing in Golden Gate.
If you would like to see a complete list of projects to be funded if the sales tax passes, go to our website, martin.fl.us, and click on the Sales Tax Referendum tab. For Martin County Television, I'm Bob Hoganson.